Hey, my beautiful best friends, what's up? It's really late right now. It's 2 a.m. and I just got my roots done, and look, right here is already blonde. It's so great. I thought it would be fun to see if I could do my makeup at 2 a.m. because why not? Why not? I honestly hate when I'm up so late and I have so much energy because like, what the hell am I supposed to do with it? I live alone in my, oh God. Yeah, wasn't supposed to do that. In my apartment, if I made noise past 10 o'clock, my neighbors below me would go crazy. Like walking would piss them off, the noise of walking. But now I have a house, so I can be loud, and I'm really excited because that means I can film videos when I get energy at night, which is right now. So what's up? I don't know why I'm doing my makeup at 2 a.m. of all things, because I'm not gonna be using this makeup for anything except for this video. I also just haven't been wearing a lot of makeup recently, so I want to see if I still have the techniques. I want to see if I still have it. I mean, I do makeup a lot, but you know. I don't think I'm gonna use a primer because I always use primers, and I kind of want to see what it's like without a primer. And I'm also going to bed right after this, so I am gonna use my MAC Prep and Prime. Oh yeah, there's just something about misting something on your face that just feels really nice. I have my eyebrows done just because they were from a while ago, so they probably look rough, but I'm gonna do foundation because why not? I don't love foundation, but we gonna do it. I feel like a full face of makeup looks better with foundation. So this is the It Cosmetics CC Plus cream. I use this all the time. I've been using this. Oh God. Oh, I thought it was a bug. I'm gonna go in with medium because I did a self-tanner today. I always put way too much by accident. So I think this is too pale for me, but will bronze me up. I really don't know what I'm doing. I've gotten to the point where you're so tired, you just don't feel normal. This setup makes me look like I'm just in a black nothingness, but it's late and it's dark. Maybe primer does make a difference, like right away. My pinkness has been a recently. I just realized my heat was on. I just turned it off if it's making a noise, and if it's been making a noise in the background, I'm so sorry. Someone needs to just live with me and keep me sane. I'm gonna go in with my It Cosmetics Weightless Smoothing Complete Coverage Concealer. Oh my God, that is, oh, bye bye under eye. There we go. I wanted to try this brush by It Cosmetics, but I forgot. But I'm gonna use it now for the concealer, I think, if it's a concealer brush. Okay, what was this? So, conceal all over. I'm using the medium. We're gonna put that on the eyelid. I kind of put a lot, I don't know why. Like a lot. Oh shit, oh shit. This brush works really nicely. I'm a fan. Good Lord. I look really scary right now, but I'm gonna do eyes. Life can't be lived without Mel spilling something. Make sure the concealer is set on the eyelids. I'm gonna be interesting and try, oh girl. I'm gonna try out this Sigma palette. Let's take a moment. Like that is pretty. I'm gonna start with Toasty, and I'm just gonna put this in my crease. Oh, look at that. Who texted me? My mom. I'm quite a fan of this palette so far. I mean, I've only used one color, so. It's blendable. It's buildable. It's nice. I actually almost feel more focused at 2 a.m. doing my makeup. I'm not going with green. I want to do a green or a red. Okay, so these colors are just like really pretty, and I could either go in with these greens, reds maybe, browns and golds. No, browns and golds is basic. I'm gonna do green because I'm living life to the fullest. I'm gonna take After Hours, which is like literally an army green color, and we're gonna put that. Oh, it kind of looks brown. Put that, I don't know what I'm doing. This is not very green, but I'm doing it anyways. We're gonna focus this on the outer V, try to make like a wing type of thing. I don't, this is just not the right brush. Oh God, that made it worse. That does not look like green. I'm just gonna say freak it for the one time. It's just so bad right now. But let's see if we can revive it. So I wet the brush, and I'm gonna take Fool's Gold, which is a very sparkly green. What? Wait, hold up, look. Oh, just kidding. Oh my God, this is, okay. Yeah, she green. This is kind of cool. I need to experiment with makeup more often, to be honest. It really makes my eye like super green. This is kind of intense. What if I put, okay, wait, idea. I'm gonna put some of Beaming, which is like a champagne color, on top to see if it sparkles more. Oh, nailed it. Look at her. I'm gonna go back in with the army green color, and I'm gonna put that in the crease because it didn't look good the other time. This is, I'm really trying to blend this. Oh yeah, cool. Thought I saw something in my window. I finished this eye and I tried to make it the same as the other eye, but I don't know at this point. I'm gonna go in with the same concealer I used on the eyelids and put that under the eyes. I'm gonna try to make a wing shape. Intense. Man, I'm not hating this right now, but I look really greasy, so we gonna fix that. My powder is like pretty much, oh my god, it's out. It's out. Okay, I just powdered my whole face. I'm gonna do bronzer. I'm gonna take this Lorac Pro Contour. This has been my new favorite contouring palette. I use medium contour, that one. And I'm just gonna put that on my cheekbones. I like to do this when I do it. Ah, fierce. You gotta do the jawline. Forehead. I'm gonna be lazy and just go like this with nose contour because nose contour takes me forever and I'm just not in the mood. Whenever I put makeup on my nose, it gets so itchy. Does anyone relate? Probably just me, but oh my god, it's a struggle. After contour, I'm like, I keep looking at myself in this viewfinder and I like it when I look at it, and I'm probably gonna edit it and be like, Mel, what were you doing? If you know me, you know that the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal is like my favorite mascara, and it still is. It's still super good, but I'm running out of it. Buxom sent me this mascara. It's the Big Tease Mascara, and I've been loving it. Deadass beat. I put this first and then I layer other mascaras because I like the full effect with my eyelashes. So I'm just gonna put one coat of this. Oh my, it looks good, but it's a little clumpy right now. So I'm gonna go in with the Voluminous Mascara. I've noticed this really helps give volume to your lashes. And then finally, last mascara. I put it on the tops just because my eyelashes are blonde, so this keeps them really black because sometimes they still look blonde. I usually put a lot of time into my lashes. I'm just gonna say that's good. Then I'm just gonna go back in with the green color because, you know, we did a green look today. And I'm gonna put it under my lower lashes line. Under my lower lashes, my lower lash line. Okay, it's the same thing. I think that was a lot. I don't know if that was too much. It was definitely too much. Let's see if we can blend this out. I just put a little bit of the Clump Crusher from CoverGirl on my bottom lashes. I'm gonna comb through my eyebrows and just kind of keep them how they were. I put a little bit of highlighter on my nose. And for fun, because it's what this is all about, put a little bit up here. I'm gonna take my MAC. Why am I setting my face? I don't know, but I'm going to. So the makeup can last the whole 10 minutes I'm gonna be wearing it. Maybe I'll film another video after this, but I might fall asleep. I'm pretty sure that's it to this video. Yeah. I forgot chapstick. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was just kind of like a random, literally my life. Hi, 2 a.m. I have nothing to do. I'm doing my makeup. Let me know any other videos you would want to see from me. I love you guys to infinity and beyond. I mean it when I say it, and I hope you know that. I really do. And I hope you're having a marvelous morning, afternoon, or night. You already know. And I'll hopefully see your beautiful face in my next video. Keep it cool, keep it real. Deuces. We out. Deuces. Deuces. Going through it. Did not feel nice. I'm a little delusional. It's a little late. It's a lot of late. I am so sorry.